back to the Fourth Revolution. I'm Daniel LeBeau, here to talk about your stocks for the portfolio of the future. So today we have a huge lineup of market moving tech stocks, and I'm not even sure it's going to be market moving. So we had Microsoft, one of the largest companies in the US, report on Tuesday, and its earnings, even though it destroyed on top and bottom line estimates, didn't really have an impact on the stock. The stock continued to trade with the market, and I think that's going to be the trend going into tonight's earnings. And I expect this election to have a bigger impact on what's going to happen with the equity markets moving forward than anything else. And the uptick in COVID cases is definitely not a positive when you're looking at the markets, but I think it could represent a buying opportunity if we hold out for the right levels. So let's take a look at those levels and take a look at some of the stocks they're going to be reporting tonight. So here is the good old S&P 500 chart, and we've seen a lot of volatility since the beginning of September as investors and traders get the pre-election jitters. And this week has really been a tumultuous week with COVID cases resurging, and the second wave that has been much anticipated is really hitting the fan. Today we're catching a bid from tech as the big tech giants prepare to release their earnings after hours. We got Apple, Amazon, Google, and Facebook. And I'm apprehensive to say that these may not be market moving earnings. I think investors and traders are more interested in what's happening with this election than what's happening with some of the big tech names. And you can see this with Microsoft. Microsoft reported earnings on Tuesday, destroying top and bottom line, but the stock continues to track with the NASDAQ 100, which you can see here in red. So I think that these earnings may be overlooked unless there's something crazy that comes to them. Apple's one stock to watch out for. They just released their 5G phone, and management's guidance as to how this phone is going to perform is really going to be, I think, market moving for this stock, as this is supposed to be the quote-unquote milestone phone, as it is the first commercial 5G iPhone out there. And this is kind of is going to be a play on how the 5G market is being observed by consumers and how people really think of it. Are people buying into the 5G, or do they think it's just another fluke like 4G was after 3G? I'm not saying a fluke, but not really game-changing for consumers, so to speak. Right now, I'm not really making any moves in the market. I think uncertainty is a little bit too high, but I am waiting for the S&P 500 to hopefully drop down to some buying opportunity levels. The first one's going to be 3,200 right here, which has been a level that we've been utilizing since mid-July. And this could be a support level for the S&P 500. If we break through that, look for the 200-day moving average here right around 31.25, and then if we break even further through that, which is unlikely, I think, look for 29.35, which will be our last support level here. So I think that there's a lot of buying opportunities to come as volatility increases and the election really hits the fan as voters hit the ballots next week on Tuesday. So I expect volatility to continue the rest of 2020, and be vigilant with your buying opportunities, as I expect the markets to hit some levels that are going to be great for a savvy purchase. So don't forget to check out Zacks.com/promo. We're going to have the latest Zacks Investor Collection for only $1, as well as a special report of Zacks 5 stocks set to double. So check that out at Zacks.com/promo. Thanks for watching, guys, and look forward to speaking to you guys next time.